just worthless. It's me, Hannah. I am in my room. I didn't notice it. But anyway, I am in my room. I just saw one of your tweets say you're not eating anymore. Please don't. Just you're on this challenge. You should be able to eat. I am, as you can probably tell, I'm tired, but I hope you continue the challenge. I hope that you do what's best for you, cause I'm not gonna give up on you, and you shouldn't give up on yourself, and you, I hope you feel better soon, and I hope you stay positive. When you tweet, don't tweet negative tweets. Try and send positive tweets. Find some positive pictures and post them. And I hope that helps with your whole situation. It's better to post. It's better to post positive pictures because you're sending a positive word out to everybody else who is dealing with the same thing you're going through. And just find some positive quotes, some pictures. Go to Google and find some positive pictures and post them. And I hope you are feeling better today. Sorry. I hope you are feeling better today, and I hope you like this message I'm sending you. Bye.